Loftus and Palmer, 1947. Aim: to investigate whether the use of leading questions would affect an eyewitness's estimation of speed. Method: 2 experiments were conducted. First, 45 students participated in Experiment 1 and were allocated to 5 groups, 9 in each. 7 short films of traffic accidents were shown. They were taken from the driver's education films. After watching the films, participants had to give a recount of the accident they had seen and answered a questionnaire with different questions regarding the details of the accident. The one critical question that was asked was asking the participant to estimate the speed of the cars when they had smashed, collided, hit, bumped, or contacted each other. Researchers predicted that the words associated with violent schemas or fast connotations would result in higher predicted speeds. Results: smashed showed the highest estimated speed at 40.8 miles per hour, and contacted was at 31.8, the lowest estimation. Results had a significance of p is less than 0.5 and showed that the finding and thus were significant. The findings surmised that the more intense the verb that was used, the higher the average estimation. Method 2. The second experiment used 150 students, and they were divided into 3 groups. They all saw the same car accident film and were asked questions about the accident. This time, one group was asked about how fast was the car going when they smashed, and the other was hit. The last group was a control group and were not asked to estimate the speed at all. Participants came back a week later without rewatching the video, were asked whether they saw broken glass. The results from this experiment showed that the more intense verb, smashed, that was used, the participants were more likely to see broken glass, i.e. they had a false memory constructed with a violent connotation. Conclusion: it can be seen that when different verbs with different intensities or connotations are used, different schemas activate, and this influences how a memory is reconstructed.